Welcome to Kuki Decor, your go-to space for nature-inspired design and creative wooden decor ideas. If you've ever strolled along a beach and admired a weathered piece of driftwood, you already know how enchanting and full of character it can be. But did you know you can transform that sun-bleached wood into stunning decor pieces that bring a warm coastal charm into your home? In today's video, we are diving deep into the magical world of driftwood decor, from rustic wall hangings and coastal candle holders to floating shelves, mirror frames, and statement sculptures. Whether your style is minimalist, boho, or beach cottage chic, these ideas will inspire you to create something truly unique using nothing but nature's own artwork. So, grab your coffee and let's turn ordinary driftwood into extraordinary home style. And don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for weekly wood decor inspiration you won't want to miss. Driftwood is more than just sun-bleached timber washed up on a beach. It's nature's art, sculpted by wind, waves, and time. There's a special kind of magic in using driftwood for home decor. Each piece carries its own story, its own texture, and its own soul. That's why today, we are diving into the world of driftwood decor ideas that effortlessly blend rustic beauty with coastal charm. Whether you live by the sea or just dream of coastal vibes, incorporating driftwood into your space adds warmth, texture, and a soothing natural elegance that feels timeless. Driftwood is a perfect medium for DIY home decor because it's versatile, eco-friendly, and full of character. When you bring it into your home, you're not just adding decoration, you're introducing a piece of nature that has been naturally shaped by the elements. One of the most visually stunning ways to use driftwood is by creating wall art and sculptures. You can layer smaller pieces to form abstract shapes, geometric patterns, or even organic silhouettes like birds, fish, or branches. Hung above a bed, sofa, or hallway, driftwood wall art becomes an instant conversation starter. It's rustic, modern, and deeply calming, all at the same time. Another classic idea is to repurpose driftwood into mirror frames or photo frames. A round mirror, with an outer ring made of layered driftwood, looks like it was pulled straight from a designer coastal home catalogue. It reflects light beautifully and gives your space a beach airy vibe. For a smaller impact, driftwood photo frames bring texture to your shelf or gallery wall. They are simple to make and can elevate any photo or artwork with a hint of organic charm. If you're into functional decor, floating driftwood shelves are a brilliant option. Long, flat pieces of driftwood can be mounted on the wall and used to display plants, books, candles, or small collectibles. These natural shelves blend beautifully with both rustic and minimalist interiors. Whether mounted with black industrial brackets for a modern twist or installed with invisible hardware for a clean look, they bring a grounded, earthy tone to your room that no manufactured shelf ever could. For those who love a cozy ambience, driftwood candle holders and centerpieces are must-haves. You can drill small holes into a sturdy piece of driftwood to nestle tea light candles, or attach pillar candle bases on top. Arrange a driftwood piece on your dining table with a few candles, pebbles, and greenery, and you've created an effortless centerpiece that captures the serenity of the sea. These centerpieces are ideal for everyday decor and also shine during dinner parties, weddings, or seasonal gatherings. If you're enjoying these driftwood decor ideas so far, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps support the channel and lets us know you love creative, nature-inspired design content. And hey, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to Kuki Decor and tap that bell icon so you never miss our weekly uploads filled with wood decor magic, rustic DIYs, and sustainable styling tips. Got a favorite driftwood project or your own ideas to share? Drop it in the comments. We'd love to feature some of your creations in a future video. Another clever use of driftwood is to create coat racks, jewelry holders, or wall-mounted hooks. By attaching metal or ceramic knobs to a driftwood plank, you get a piece that is both decorative and functional. It's perfect for an entryway, bedroom, or bathroom. The irregular shape of the wood adds visual interest, while the natural finish blends seamlessly into any design style, especially rustic, boho, and coastal themes. Feeling adventurous? Try building a driftwood lamp or light fixture. This takes a bit more effort, but the results are stunning. Driftwood can be used as the base for a table lamp or arranged into a hanging chandelier for a bold statement piece. Combine it with Edison-style bulbs or soft ambient lighting and you've got a sculpture that glows with warmth. The contrast between rugged wood and gentle light creates an atmosphere that's both modern and organic. Plants and driftwood go hand in hand. Consider using driftwood as the base for air plant displays or hanging planters. These low-maintenance plants thrive in airy setups and look beautiful when attached to natural wood. A piece of driftwood hanging from twine, dotted with green air plants or succulents, becomes a mini living sculpture that refreshes your room without needing pots or soil. It's a lovely way to bring life and movement to your walls or windows. And don't forget the outdoors. Driftwood is just as powerful when used in your garden or patio decor. Use it to edge flower beds, build garden sculptures, or mount lanterns and hanging baskets. Driftwood naturally blends with the earth and looks better as it weathers. If you're enjoying these ideas so far, now's the perfect time to hit that subscribe button to Kuki Decor and turn on notifications. We share creative wood and nature-inspired decor every week, from rustic to modern, minimal to bold. Be part of our growing community of design lovers and DIYers who believe in decorating with soul, sustainability, and style. Now, let's talk about why driftwood works so well in today's home styles. It's raw and imperfect, but that's where its beauty lies. You don't need to sand it smooth or paint it bold colors. Its weathered look, uneven tones, and soft textures are what make it stand out. Whether you're aiming for a Scandinavian coastal vibe, a modern boho interior, or even a farmhouse aesthetic, driftwood complements each style without overpowering the space. Moreover, decorating with driftwood is a sustainable choice. You're repurposing nature's leftovers instead of buying newly manufactured items. It's an environmentally conscious way to create art and decor while honoring natural resources. And because no two pieces of driftwood are exactly alike, your creations will always be unique, a reflection of your personal taste and creativity. So how do you get started? If you're near a lake, river, or beach, go for a walk and see what nature offers. Look for pieces that are dry, sturdy, and interesting in shape. Avoid driftwood that's too soft, moldy, or rotten. Once you bring it home, scrub it clean with a brush and water, then let it dry in the sun. You can seal it with a clear matte finish if you'd like to preserve its texture and prevent dust. From there, the possibilities are endless. Ultimately, Driftwood Decor is about more than just aesthetic. It's about connection to nature, to craft, and to the slow beauty of handmade design. Whether you build an entire gallery wall of driftwood art, or simply add a single candle holder to your coffee table, each piece reminds you to embrace simplicity and natural elegance in your home. If you found inspiration in this video, please give it thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your favorite idea, and subscribe to Kuki Decor for more weekly wood decor projects. We love creating content that helps you see beauty in nature's forgotten pieces, and driftwood is the perfect place to start. Until next time, stay creative, stay grounded, and let nature shape your home, one piece of driftwood at a time.